the vendor master creation is slightly different. We were able to create FK01, XK01 using those transactions vendors. But if you click now and if you go there, then it will open business partner. So there is a concept of business partner that has been expanded in S4 HANA. And so we need to do some configuration for business partner to be able to create the vendors for our accounts payable module. So let's go to configuration. Uh, okay, cancel. So let's go to SPRO, IMG, and we have to go to cross application components and then look for SAP Business Partner. So SAP Business Partner always used to exist in prior versions, but now it has been expanded a little bit more to have customers and vendors in it. So we go to a business partner and then click on business partner and then click on basic settings and then number ranges and groupings. So we'll create define number ranges. So let's look at this. So a lot of number ranges are filled in. Okay, so this one seems to be open. Number range number 22. So we'll use 22. So it out. So define groupings and assign number ranges. So new entries. So we'll call our grouping NSD1, NS, NS01, domestic suppliers. And number range was 22. So we'll pick 22 here and then save. So this is so that's that. And then the next step is you have to define number assignment for direction BP to vendor. So that is so we have to for that we have to go under SAP cross application components and then not under SAP business partner but under master data synchronization. And then we have to go to customer vendor integration, and from customer vendor integration we have to go business partner settings, and from business partner settings we have to go to setup for vendor integration, and for vendor integration we have to go to assign keys, and then you have to define number assignment for direction BP to vendor. So group, okay, okay, we don't have an instance, so let's create new one. So NSD1, this is a vendor group that is also NSD1. So so flexible grouping, we don't want to say same numbers because number ranges were different. Click on save, transport. So now all the settings have been done as far as um, business partner vendor integration is concerned. Let's look at the setup BP role category for. So we'll use business partner FI vendor. So we'll use this FLVN00 and FLVN01. So those are the ones we'll use as the business partner roles for creating vendors.